Yes, sir. How is it? Pretty dry?
Good.
Alright guys, well welcome back to another video. Like you guys have seen, if you guys have seen last weekend's video, we were out chasing bears and bucks, but it's a new weekend. It's just me and Kian. We'll have to pan to him in a minute, but yeah, we got a new truck. Super excited to be using this out here. Like you guys have seen, probably in the clips from yesterday, we arrived and we saw maybe like 20 does already, hoping to find a couple bucks. And yeah, we're here to have a good time. Maybe sling a couple arrows and yeah, just see how it goes. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, if you guys have any other kind of videos you guys want to be seeing, please comment down below if you guys want to see some more hunting or fishing videos. But yeah, stay tuned and let's see how we do today. Pero buenos días mi gente. Aquí regresamos a otra cacería de venado. Andamos yo y el Kian. Andamos una nueva camioneta para estrenar. Y como han visto, ya hemos mirado como unos 20 venadas. Y ojalá con suerte hoy nos toque tirar unas flechas a unos venados. Entonces acompáñenos, denos suerte y denle like al video si les está gustando.
Yeah. By itself.
Alright guys, well, we had some success, right?
Saw a lot of deer.
Yeah, saw a lot of deer, saw a spike. That was about it. We're gonna we just packed up camp and we're gonna move to a different spot where we've hunted before. So with luck, we'll find some more bucks, huh?
Hopefully.
Alright guys, well, we're back at camp and we're cooking up some dinner. Grilling up some steaks on a rock. Ya regresamos al campamento, mi gente. Aquí andamos haciendo unos bisteces, carnita asada. Luego vamos a hacer una pasta también. All right, well, good morning, everyone.
It's our last morning up here this weekend. It's a pretty cold one. It's probably been the coldest today than any of the other days, but looking forward to hopefully finding some deer, finding a buck, shooter buck. How you feeling, Keith?
Cold, tired, but excited.
Yeah, pero aquí estamos, mi gente. Buenos días, es nuestra última mañana acá arriba. Está haciendo mucho frío, más frío que todos los demás días, pero con suerte hoy podemos encontrar un venado. Y sí, a ver cómo nos va. Deseamos suerte.
Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's been a pretty fun weekend nonetheless. Saw a bunch of deer, some turkeys, some javelinas. Had some pretty good food and some unique ways of cooking them. But hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you did. No buck this trip, but I mean we still got the rest of the year, so hopefully we'll shoot one eventually. But how you feeling, Keith?
It was a lot of fun. See you guys next time.
Pero sí, mi gente, muchísimas gracias por ver este video. Aquí se acaba. Como vieron, pues no cazamos un venado, pero miramos muchas venadas, 2 venaditos, guajolotes, jabalines, y pues nos la pasamos a gusto este fin de semana. Espero que les hubiera gustado el video. Suscríbanse al canal, denle like y ya los miro al aire libre.